every single day,
Okay.
and every time. Hold on. And
When I
every
already know one
time,
at a time.
and every time, for one, you ask a laborite, not all of them, but some laborites, you ask them, what has Andrew Ole's administration do for you, or whatever? The first thing them start say, talk about the 18 years where PJ did in a poor. Like
No,
I'm not
no,
talking
no.
about
Okay.
the, hold on,
Okay.
Commander.
Let me hear you talk for 2 seconds.
Hold on. I am not talking about the 18 years. 18 years has come and passed. That's the past. I'm talking about the present, which is now. Andrew Oles has been in power for over 9 years now. And this has been the most people know has been migrating as ever. No. Hold on.
Oh,
People used to migrate, but not a lot. Right? A whole heap of people. Hold on, Mr.
Nothing wrong with them family for them.
Because Miss
And
Ancestor, I'm
now,
not arguing, I'm just talk. Because a whole heap of people has left Jamaica. When we see you, the price of even one tin mackerel, half a bread, quarter bread. We see something recently on a video in Jamaica recently. One lady said 1 egg. Much is for the egg, I don't want $10 on her. I think she said 1 egg, one single egg, you know. I think of the $80 or must say 120.
I saw a lady that said $6 for 1 egg.
One second.
I want to say one thing because we want to be honest about conversations, right? Is it factual that the teachers are there's a shortage of teachers in Jamaica? Is that a fact?
Yes, it is.
Hold on, teacher. Me know you answer no. Come on, ground. Come on, no. Come on, ground. Is there a fact? There's shortage of teacher in Jamaica.
okay.
Yes, I know answer. Me no want.
We have a brain drain problem over all sector.
Okay. All right. Next thing I'm gonna say. There's a shortage of nurses in Jamaica that they get their education in Jamaica and they leave Jamaica and migrate to other countries. Is that a fact? Okay. So the conversation of people migrating, I was having a conversation with somebody today and I can't believe it when she say, Moa left Jamaica. I say, what you mean, you? And she said, yeah, I'm ready to leave. Me shocked. Because people are migrating because of the condition of the country. The poverty level has increased. I can't believe that Jamaica is still 100 US is the weekly salary, the minimum wage, 100 US. And you guys are saying, oh, but some people get 20 and some people get 25. You know how much $25,000 is?
Because even teachers ask for a raise, right? And the raise where politicians give themselves. And if I'm being so for real, most of these politicians, them don't have the level of qualifications, like me and you, Miss J.A., and other people that pay a platform. Them don't have no level of qualifications like us, but yet still, they're being more compensated than us. So to me, it's like, and that is why when we hear people make statements, say, some teachers now do not, or some this, so why we deserve this, why we deserve that. If them can go into the classroom just for a day and see how students operate, them would understand. So somehow when we're in a classroom, and not because only because I have money, you know, we are because we love it and we're passionate.
I hear a lot of teachers have the same sentiments.
Right? Yeah,
a lot of Jamaican teachers.
You have some teachers in our system, oh God, man. You see, because of the teacher shortage, the government have to resort to the teachers them will retire, have to call them back. And I give them contract.
Is it factual that these member of a parliament makes $1 million a month?
I don't have evidence of that. So me not gonna speak on that, Ms. J.A. But what I can say is these politicians, they are making more money than many people that are well qualified. Ms. J.A.
Hold on, teacher. Cardo, that's a public information, right?
Yes, the salary scale of a member of parliament. But what happened? What Anju do? He make almost everybody a cabinet member. So they getting minister salary instead of member of parliament salary. So because that's what he do. They make almost everybody they out of the whatever, they send them go over King's house. That's what he do. So everybody's a minister. So they're getting minister salary, not even member of parliament salary.
Wow.
So everybody's a junior
I've
minister.
heard that for reasons. Yes, I've heard that.
So look here, these people are saying things are so good, but if it's so good, why all the professionals want to leave? Look what happened. It's good for a few.
One second. We complain about.
Go ahead, Cardo. Cardo, go ahead. Finish your point.
If it's so, look here, he admitted that all these people are leaving, but it's also good. I'm going to tell you what happened. The people, their mentality, they see it so good for a few, and they just like, oh, I'll be waiting in line. It will be me next. It will be me next. That's what they have. It's just like how they love the orange man because they're gonna have the power and the rich as the orange man. They don't realize how broke and poor are living vicariously through the people, through the few who have it, because they want to be the person with power to look down on the 99%. That's why you see some of these broke, hungry people are walking around saying things are so good. And look at their lifestyle.
Okay.
God, that was so harsh, but this is the truth. It's the truth.
I don't understand that, Carol, because I was saying the same thing, right? These poor people that run out and vote for this rich man, them say rich, you know. But September, when them come, are the poor people, them run now no front teeth, now no dentist appointment, now no doctor appointment, can't find doctor. And at them are run out figure vote for a rich man. But they said he was a rich man in the 8 years. They said he was rich 8 years ago, you know. And you're right. It's like they're thinking they could live vicariously through him. Because they're thinking that one day I'm going to be rich as him.
Because to me, man, Miss J.A.,
this is crazy.
You cannot just be for one set of people and not all. That's the problem that Jamaica is having. Because, again, the Jamaica Labour Party, and I'm not saying this only because I'm a comrade, but the Jamaica Labour Party, you have some good MPs from Labour right side, you know, but they say the majority, no. And it is even sad when they say people in our area go to you, and I'm speaking something that I know. For example, Warmington constituency, people go to him and ask him for help, and Warmington secretary asks the people them, did you vote for Warmington? And them say no, and them say, well, we can't help it then. Foolishness that you are telling me on my ears, foolishness that you are doing.
I compare Anju to my president, because Anju is running the country as how the Republican Party run the country. The top 1% is successful. He will always push the top 1%. He's telling these people to go back to work, yet they don't have nowhere to live. They don't have a roof over their head. But it's time for them to... But he said the entertainment industry is losing. That's what he said.
You're right, he did say that.
The entertainment industry is losing. That's what he said.
Exactly, Ms. J.A. So what about
there's doctors and teachers who lost everything. These police officers and JDF workers who lose everything. They are out there on the ground. But he's saying the entertainment industry is losing. He is a TikToker. He wants to be a TikToker so bad that he knows all the TikTokers and nothing else. He's one of them social media politician there.
Exactly, and it is so sad because listen, if you say from poverty to prosperity, because honestly, I not bash the labor rights up here, but I am not seeing the prosperity in Jamaica. Maybe it is there for some, and some people can attest, say, yo, they are seeing the prosperity, so I'm not going to dispute that. But for the majority, me not see it. And people keep on complaining. I know people who are labor rights supporters, them are complaining too. Me hear people, no people say them sorry, so them
more ask a serious question. For the person who claim to say, everybody know I am not PMP, JLP because I don't believe in.
Yeah, man, we know that.
I don't believe in politics, right? Because both Anju and Mark Golin, all of them are thief. I say that brawling. Party leader can come. But I wish not to say my figures, right? I wish not to say my figure that I'm earning. But 2 years, I hear, call it 2 years ago, I was in Clarendon, working from Clarendon to Portmore. And I'm working $24,000 for the fortnight. Every 2 weeks, hear me out. 150 from my yard at Clarendon from Mapen Town. 350 from Mapen Bus Park, the Spanish Town Bus Park. And next 150 come to my job in Portmore. That is just in the morning. And I have to pay the same figure or more in the night to get back home. Do also remember, I'm paying rent. I have a son going to school where I have a private taxi pick him up from yard same way with the same $24,000 there. And now move fast forward coming to Portmore. I want to claim to say Jamaica is moving in the right direction, right? And Jamaica is doing good and Anju is doing good. So why am I not doing good? Because if me tell you what I'm earning, you would ask me how I survive. And I live in Caribbean Estate. And let's say, make I tell you, brawling, my rent is $60,000 a month. My light bill come to $20,000. My water bill come to $7,000. My internet bill come to $6,000. My son lump sum come up to $20,000. I'm not gonna be honest with you. And my pay for the fortnight is $32,000. Somebody calculate that.
So
my pay for the fortnight is $32,000. And remember again, my rent is $60,000. My light bill come to $20,000. My water bill come to $7,000. My internet bill is $6,000. My son snacks run me $15,000 to $20,000. Also, his driver have to get paid weekly $5,500. Somebody round it off for me. So now, when me break it down, I might pay $32,000. Who is suffering?
So basically, in total, my boss, 119 grand, but 120 that fee for 1 month.
So somebody break it down now and tell me who is suffering. Me or Anju or Mark Golden. And at the first, me I come on social media come talk what me I earn.
I'm going to ask you something, sir. Why you say you live on Spanish Town and you work in Portmore? Yeah?
You weren't listening.
I'm asking you because I
He's telling he live in Portmore. He live in Portmore.
Yeah, where he works?
I work in Portmore now.
No, he work in Portmore. No.
I was living Clarendon and getting $24,000 for the fortnight.
So he moved to another parish to get me more money. Yeah.
Closer to work now.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So it's a little better now, ain't it?
Little better, your ass.
I'm asking because
They said true. They said you're living above your means. That's what they said.
So, listen, all right, cool. Let me break this down to you. For the person say I'm living whatsoever, what we may call it.
Little better.
I'm gonna say this. I'm a person who I came from nothing. From nothing. I never born council gold spoon. Me tell you, I went to Halson High School. P.O. Clarendon to be exact.